Welcome back to MS Techworld, where we learn AI simply. Let me ask you a question. A few years ago, if you wanted AI to create something, you had to describe everything in words. The better the prompt, the better the result. But what if you could simply show AI what you mean instead of trying to explain it? That's exactly why multimodal AI is becoming the next big shift. Unlike traditional language models that only understand text, multimodal AI can understand images, audio, video, documents, and text, all together. Think about it. Instead of writing a long prompt to describe a website, you can upload a rough sketch and ask AI to turn it into a complete design. Or show it a storyboard, and it can generate matching visuals, dialogue, and even background audio while keeping everything consistent. The biggest change isn't just better content generation, it's better reasoning. AI no longer needs multiple disconnected tools to understand different types of data. One model can see, listen, read, and reason across everything at once. And that's changing creative workflows, software development, education, healthcare, and almost every industry using AI today. I don't think text is disappearing anytime soon, but text-only AI is no longer enough. The future belongs to AI that understands the world the way humans do, through multiple types of information working together. What are your thoughts? Will multimodal AI become the new standard? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.